Oh dear. So yeah, we're doing our trapping run today and the kids have to come with us. So we're going up the hill. We're on the Banks track line at the moment.
Where's Bella?
She's way ahead of us.
Oh yeah, better get going!
Yeah, that direction. So yeah, we're
way behind her, Mum. This is really cool. This is really
Tim's
cool.
trap.
Can't see anything.
Molting penguin.
There. What? All of those. Yes, lucky inside.
Bella's gonna put fresh meat in the trap. What kind of meat's that?
I guess it's bunny.
Bunny meat. It's okay, it's not your bunny. It's a wild bunny. They're a pest.
Don't give me this trapper.
Oh, I know, but we have to get rid of the predators, otherwise we don't have penguins. Yeah, the introduced predators that kill our
I find
little
it quite
penguins.
useful when we bend this
Yep,
because it can hold better in the ground if you don't mind.
yeah, yep,
Like this.
yep,
And it's safer for everyone who walks past because it's not pointing out
yep.
and it holds it perfectly.
Cool.
And you can wrap some stuff around.
Yeah, we found this interesting bug.
I did.
Nest found it.
Really creepy. Why do you think it's creepy? It's cool.
I've never seen a bug like that before, living in the thistles.
It's really cool. No, it has orange eyes. Why is that creepy? Sorry, Papa.
Did you guys find anything? Oh, nothing yet. It's one of the brand new nest boxes. Nothing yet. Penguin sound?
I do.
Oh. Marking where the trap is.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
And ants.
Oh, and ants. It's a cool ladybug. Did we catch anything? Nope. Nothing.
Oh my god, it's growing.
And it's all overgrown.
But it could have been.
What's that beetle?
I don't know, but I've seen it a lot of times.
Oh, alright. You don't know the name of it?
No.
What kind of beetle is that?
I'm gonna eat the egg before I touch the rotten bunny.
All right.
Fresh meat so far.
Okay. Bella squashed her lunch. So as she's trapping, she now has to eat her lunch right next to the trap. Pretty gross, but oh well. You gotta do what you gotta do. Hey, you caught up with us? You caught up with us?
I know those beetles, they go.
Hi. Num num num.
That rib.
Nice big piece. So Nest, do you know what those leaves are good for?
Helping people when they get stung
By stinging nettle.
by stinging nettle or anything sharp like
Oh,
that.
I don't know if it helps with thistles, but stinging nettle, it's
It
supposed.
does, it works.
Okay,
It
if you
helped
say
my
so.
finger.
We'll see about that. So yeah, Raph, I think your mum is she's doing her trap line and it goes all the way up.
there.
It's called the Ridge Line Run. So Geraldine is hiking all the way up there. I think she hiked that and then she goes zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. She does trap line, zigzag, zigzag, and then up, whoop, doop, doop, and then she hikes down and she does her traps. And we're on this side of the farm.
The other side.
The other side.
The opposite side.
Yeah.
I've got some leaves.
Cool. Bella's just clearing a track. Like, that was all grass. Beautiful grass, and yeah, it's just huge thistles and overgrown. Whatever that is. We're not sure.
Yeah, I think it's a weed.
It's a weed. Yeah. It's crazy how it changes just after 4 weeks of amazing rain, amazing sunshine, and the farm looks completely different.
Pumpkins. Oh yeah, little mini baby pumpkins that are adorable. Baby pumpkins.
Well, don't eat them.
No.
No, they won't.
Delicious.
No.
I'm gonna eat some more.
No, you don't eat those. They're probably poisonous.
Yeah, they are.
Pretty sure.
Yeah. Don't even pretend, Nest. I don't
What
think.
if you accidentally swallow it?
Well, then you'll die.
Yeah. Don't accidentally die.
Don't accidentally swallow it.
These are native bee holes. Where? Oh.
What are they, Raph?
Native bee holes.
Native bee holes. I think they're not occupied at the moment, but yeah. Do you know much about the native bees and how they live?
They
dig-
don't sting you.
They don't sting you?
They
And
do sting you, but it doesn't really hurt.
I don't think they have a stinger, Nest.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just walk through them and they don't sting you.
Yeah. I think they dig burrows and they have their little larvae in the burrow and they put pollen or whatever into the burrow and they block it.
I'll
And
give
then
them this.
yeah, so they each have a little hole for their little larvae. They're not like honeybees, are they? No.
With their big...
Alright, I guess we should find Vela. She's way up the hill now. Lots of prickles. That is really frustrating. Oh, getting through these prickles. And Nest and Raph both have bare legs and they don't have good shoes either. But you know, we got to go with the flow when we're working at Pohatu. So yeah, dragged the kids up the hill through all these prickles. They're going to be tough kids though.
What flavour?
I think chocolate flavour.
Oh.
Ah, it's completely overgrown.
I'm gonna suck it.
Oopsie. Yep. I'm going to head across.
That'll probably be great.
So we're at the top
More native bee holes.
of the
More native
paddock
bee
here,
holes. More native bee holes. More
and then
native bee holes.
we are going to head across the fence line.
Oh, easy.
Do-do-do-do-do. And then
Orange.
we're going to go do-do-do-do-do all the way down the valley with the bushes and this little bush reserve. Well, actually I don't think it's a reserve, just this bit of bush. Heaps of traps in that bush there. Orange butterfly? Red admiral? Oh, is it still there?
There's actually four. There's actually four, but one's gone.
So what's that one you reckon, Raph?
Red emerald,
You think so?
I think.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, there's heaps of these little
Oh,
orange.
there's one.
Oh, they're just all over the place.
I know, they're everywhere.
Wow.
There's like 7 or 8.
Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but they're
One just flew right
flying around all over the place. On your
Look at all
socks.
these prickles.
Oh, poor Raph.
Mum,
No,
prickles
that's
are
not prickles,
prickles
that's
are jumping.
grass seed.
Oh, Because they hurt so
Yeah,
much.
no, they start to dig in. That's why you have to kind of pull them out.
Oh, look at this. Hate the grass seed.
You're covered in grass seed too?
Yeah.
That's, I can't remember the name of that kind of grass seed. Yeah, pretty annoying. Oh man, I'm going to have to pick it out of my jersey now. Ah, well.
Yeah, there's something that might do that really. Trap door. Looks like a.
We don't know what these holes are.
Oh, I found this creepy. Native bees.
No, I don't think they're... I don't know if they're native
I
bees.
see them all the time.
In trees? Oh,
Yeah.
more maybe like a hoo-hoo grub or something. We'll find out.
Some giant borer.
A giant borer. Oh yeah, probably. Oh,
that?
what's this bird?
Big thief.
Do you guys hear that bird?
Yes.
I think it was a tui. I saw it.
Or a bellbird?
Blue bird.
Could be a bellbird.
Yeah, I think bellbird. Looks
Hey,
like
look! I found this type of spider.
Did you?
awesome.
You found a spider?
Spiky.
Oh yes, he's tiny.
Oh yeah, that must be the cause
No.
of the holes. Louis told me a type of spider lives in trees.
I'm
like
sure, yeah.
holes.
He's very camouflaged.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I thought that was just...
We had a trap just here, but it looks like this area was probably part of the flood. Yeah, because it's all kind of... Probably was a huge waterfall during the flood time. And now the trap, we can see it's down the hill.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Waterfall.
It's just a very sensitive trap.
Oh, I see.
Nest
Have
is
to take
going
my
to
shoe off.
get the trap back.
That was just crazy. Things are horrible. Taking my shoe off. Look at my socks. They're soaking.
Soaking wet socks.
What's still sad?
What? It's still set.
Yes.
Holy crap.
It's set wrong way actually.
Oh, maybe it's jammed open or something. Hang on. Oh,
Broken.
oh, it's broken.
Just,
Oh. Yeah, it's all jammed.
yeah, but we better spring it because this is not a good.
No.
Good.
I wonder.
We'll see if it is just rusty.
Yeah.
Then I'll-
Well, yeah. Flood damaged.
Oh, it might be alright. I don't know.
That's good.
Oh, it's working. Good.
Don't know.
You managed to. No?
No, it makes noise, so they would run away.
Oh,
it doesn't
bugger.
work. It
Oh,
doesn't work.
bugger, it's broken.
It's broken.
Oh,
Yeah.
well. We have to get a new
Sorry,
one.
once again.
Boom.
Yeah,
We could use it as a bait station.
No.
No?
This is no good. This
No
is
good. Okay.
You never know what it will do. You know, it can catch them halfway or something. and
Yeah,
it makes
that's not
noise,
good.
So it would actually scare them.
Okay.
So that's no good.
Alrighty.
I don't mind to use the ones which are sort of shut, but this one is open.
Yeah. Okay, so this will be out of action. Goodbye, trap. Yeah, we're heading back down the hill and. Oopsie. You okay, buddy? Seeds. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Everyone's. And Viola's having to carry the trap down. Can you guys spot the next trap?
Okay.
Okay. Start
Oh yeah, I
getting-
can see it. I can see it. I can
Yeah.
see it. Oh yeah.
So you guys walk up to that, but just don't touch it. It's a trapinator. Do you guys know what the trapinators are for?
Possum.
Yeah. Yeah, possums really. Good for possums.
Oh, so how do we break it?
Oh, it's pretty easy.
Always close nest. Landed on my hand.
Yeah, that's sometimes not good to land on your hands, but yeah, very slippery. Cool.
Imagine if you landed.
Fortunately, it hasn't caught anything.
Come in there.
You just got to get the meat off. Put new fresh meat on it. Yeah, it's off. That means it's off, and that's to set it. It's a little bit
My
tricky.
legs are
So you can either
freezing
use meat or
cold.
fruit, and you can put like cinnamon and flour under it. I had chicken legs and yeah, let's try the fish. The fish heads that we got from the penguin rehab. Nice and stinky.
Ooh, yeah.
Too stinky now? Yeah.
They're alright. They'll be good. They will smell them 1 kilometer.
Yeah. Real stinky stuff.
I can't smell anything.
Can't smell the fishy stuff?
No.
Ah, well,
Thanks.
you guys are humans, so yeah, I'm sure a possum or a feral cat has way better sense of smell than you guys.
Mean.
Not mean, it's true, it's humans.
Salt.
Fish heads.
I can't smell the fish.
Waste not, want not. So the fish heads were too big to feed the penguins in rehab, so it's like, oh, why not use them for the trapping?
Oh, maybe we have to feed
Yep,
it.
shut that. You don't have to close it super tight actually, because yeah, and then you push it, yeah, and then it will set. Yeah,
Awesome.
done. Easy, eh?
Record it as well.
Yeah.
Mum, this is what a hoo-hoo grub does.
Oh, that's kind of like a borer as well. It's
What's
kind
a
of
borer?
It's kind of like it's like a hoo-hoo. Well, I don't know, but it's a worm, and it makes kind of. Hang on, can you see that? It makes trails. Like in wood. We have a lot of them in our house, unfortunately, but yeah.
Why?
Oh, they just love eating wood, and they make all these little trails. Isn't it cool? Little mazes all around the tree, and they're probably, I guess they were the things that made those holes. Must be some kind of big borer. Yeah. Apparently there's a lot of insects on Banks Peninsula that have never even been discovered yet.
Really?
Like people still discovering stuff. Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
scientists?
Yeah. You guys could probably, like, if you see an interesting bug, you could probably take
Like
a
the one
photo.
I saw.
Yeah, like that one that we saw in the thistles. I have no idea what that is. Maybe it's a new species we discovered. Who knows?
I discovered.
Okay, you discovered. If you discover a new species, Nest, what would you call it?
The species of orange eyes.
Orange eyes.
Had orange eyes.
Did it?
Mum,
We could Google
what
that
are
bug.
those things?
What are these things?
It's like fungus.
Yeah, I think you're right, Raph. I think that's fungus.
Oh yeah, it is.
Huh.
The mushrooms.
Oh, wow. It is soft.
Actually,
Wow.
no. I call
It
it.
is a little fungus.
I call it.
That's-
Ah, spider!
Oh, where's the spider? It's on me. Film it, Raph.
There.
Can you film it?
I don't know. I can't really see it.
All right, give me the camera then.
It looks like you have a passenger.
It's there, it's there, it's
Oh,
there.
it's very tiny. It's
Oh.
hanging on the handle of the
Oh, it's cool. It has like this
clippers.
All right.
triangle
So
thing.
I've got it on me somewhere.
Oh, you wouldn't.
Can you film it, Raph? Can you see it? So it's building a web on my back.
I can't.
Yes. Yep. We know.
Wait, what? Oh, it's here.
Just get it. The spider that Nest is very scared of. It's coming with us now. It's gonna live on my backpack.
Oh, it's gone down.
Cool. Yeah.
There's three. One,
So we
two,
have
three.
a few traps in here. Yeah. And this is where we had a few penguins actually killed by a stoat. That's why there's a dead penguin behind that trap. So yeah, there was two penguins predated in here, and so that's why we have traps really close together, because we were trying to catch that stoat. But yeah, it looks like the flood kind of took out this valley as well. Not as bad, but I bet there was a big waterfall raging down here, and you can see a tree has fallen on one of our traps. Oh man, hopefully the trap's okay. Oh, possum poo
Yeah.
all over the top of the trap. There's possum poo. I'm gonna have to move this branch. Alright, I'm gonna need both hands.
Okay, I can help.
Okay,
I can try.
careful though, Raph, because Tati Ava's still got her hand in the... No, we'll wait for Vela.
No, that's good. You can take it out.
Yeah,
It's a big one.
it's a big one. Hang on, I think we might need some
No,
Vela power.
Well, I don't know
oh,
if
it's
it will
still
be enough.
Is
thick.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
And it's
it is.
covered in possum poo.
Well,
I
where
think
do we put the trap?
just let's throw this branch that direction, and then just put the trap. It used to sit just there, so
I see.
yeah, on the flat bit. Nest. Woo!
those little bumpy things on the tree?
Bumpy things?
Oh, there were.
Oh,
I
I don't know.
They look like honeycombs or something.
What is that?
They look like honeycombs.
Oh wow, another trap that's all been tipped over.
Oh, it might be still okay.
I think it'll be fine.
Oh, there's some.
The egg's still in it. There's an egg in there.
Oh,
It's not even
I hope it won't
smashed.
crack on me.
Oh yeah, it's gonna stink
Ugh.
because it's been about a month.
Ugh.
It's gonna be bad.
I cracked one egg.
I can't believe it's not set off. We probably should set that trap off and see if it's...
Yes.
like the other one,
Yeah,
broken.
Yes. It's very important.
test
because
it.
If you catch it halfway, it's
Yeah, we don't want to catch things halfway. Gotta have it
come back.
instant kill.
100%. Or if it
Once
makes noise,
when
they run
we
away
went
and
on
they
the,
never come back.
Yeah, we don't want that.
On the trap line, and it just got the. It almost just next on the slide. So my mum said it was probably not. All aboard the
Leave
fish!
the egg outside, okay? Let's test it, okay?
Yeah, let's test it.
Ooh,
Oh,
very good.
Still works. Needs
This one is
clearing.
perfect, needs cleaning.
Needs a lot of cleaning.
I can't believe it's still set.
Oh, it's all full of mud, so yeah, definitely was a crazy river going down this valley. Everywhere during that flood, everywhere was waterfalls. Waterfalls everywhere. I can imagine it would have just been like water. And yeah, luckily we didn't lose it further.
I'm going up.
What native trees do you guys see? Kowhai tree? Any others you can name in the forest here?
What's that?
The one above us?
Yeah.
I think that's a 5-finger.
Oh. Is it?
Not 100%. Maybe it's not a 5-finger.
And this one.
I don't know. Whitey wood. Ah,
Huge one.
huge whitey wood.
They must have a lot of moisture here. They really like it. Normally they go smaller.
So we got something.
Yes, hedgehog.
Oh, another hedge. Another hedgehog.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, predator's a predator.
Take my gloves this time.
Is he real gross?
Well, the bait is gross.
Yeah, pretty gross.
Station over
Well,
there.
when it is dry, I don't mind, but this is a bit too much.
Mhm.
Even though he is a pest. He's still. Where's his head?
Under the.
Underneath the trap.
What is it?
A giant earthworm.
Oh, a giant earthworm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Put your finger next to it so we can see. It is a giant earthworm.
It's huge. From here to there.
Oh wow. Wow, he was all the way under there. I've seen bigger though. Banks Peninsula has really big earthworms. Alrighty.
That's giant. What's the heart?
That's the stomach.
Has a little tummy. The warm
Next
sun.
trap. Anything? No?
Wait, no, yes, there's bait.
Bait. It's a bit old now though.
Very
But
old,
nothing.
you mean?
What is it, Raph?
There's so many feathers.
Feathers?
Oh, look, it's a penguin.
See a penguin in there.
Yeah. It's a very big burrow. Yes, an underrunner. I think there's one up here too. I think I saw a big tape up there. Might have been.
I can't see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there he is.
I can see the flipper. Down there.
A
new
natural
one.
burrow. Looks
It's
like
a
it's
new-
been dug out. Quite
Yeah,
a bit.
it's got dug out, but there's nothing in it.
Nothing in it. I think it's another underrunner.
Someone's in. that one nailed shut?
Yeah, shh. You can see a penguin. Hey, buddy.
Wait, I see feathers. I see feathers.
Can you guys find my next trap?
Found it.
You found it?
It's over here.
Yeah, that's it.
Another dead hedgehog inside.
Another dead hedgehog.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Right.
Yay. It's all flat.
Well, if
Flat as a pink.
by the mechanism which is in there, it would be flat as well.
Ugh.
It's been there for a while as well.
Very stinky.
It's only half, like, not even a quarter of it. But
Wow, almost every trap's got hedgehogs at this time of the year. Ew. Ew. Oh, it's full of maggots.
Mum,
My favourite job.
Yuck.
Mum,
Yep.
there's lots of brown poo in that box.
Brown
Like
poo.
that poo. Brown.
Brown poop.
Yes.
That's
brown
weird.
Poo. It smells disgusting in there.
Hang on, I'll go. Oh yeah, it does. It's really gross in there.
What is that penguin eating?
Don't know. It could be a chick. So.
What's that?
Oh yeah,
What
it's
is
pretty
it
gross.
eating?
Smells like sewage.
It's yellow.
Just follow down the line. Keep going.
Yeah?
Keep going. You'll find the last trap on this line. And the last trap is the one that you already did yesterday, I think, Vela. That one there. Yeah, nothing in it.
An egg. Blue
An egg. Oh, a blue egg.
I do. It's cool.
That's, I don't know what that is. I don't think that's a native though. It could be like a blackbird or something.
I think it's like a sparrow or something. Wait, do you want the egg? Did we go in a circle? No, you can have it. Oh. Baby goose! Who's the baby?
Today.
Can I need person?
No idea.
Need to help that.
So yeah, what do you reckon's happening in this box, Raph?
Making a nest and molting at the exact same time.
Yeah,
I think.
they're molten. They blocked their nest,
Oh, heron.
didn't they? Oh, white-faced heron?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Mum, who was that cutie? A lamb. Mum, who's that cutie?
I think it's probably one of her, it's probably the lamb of, oh, off it goes. What are you guys doing?
Mum, he's scared of me. What's the problem?
Hello, cuties. Can see G has arrived back as well.
Can't stop thinking about that.
I know. I'm going to cross the creek. End of the day. Home time. And ice cream time.
On the loose. Hiya!
Wait, okay, it's home time now. You better get off that nest box.
Oh,
You're lucky no one's in there.
yeah.
You checked, okay.
I just got on it to test out how my fish